Hi, welcome to Mr. J's classroom. I'm Mr. Duranko, and I'll be your teacher this semester. I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to navigate the Google Classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. Okay, so when you log into Google, this is what you'll see. You'll be on the home screen. You're going to go ahead and hit Mr. J's class to get to my class. And then here's the home screen of the class itself. You'll see you're on the stream page here. It'll have any announcements that are posted. Usually, if an assignment gets posted, it will have an announcement about that, or if you've got something graded, any general announcements I want to give to the class. Here's my contact information at the top here, just a little introduction and my email if you want to email me with any questions. Another place you can look here is the classwork at the top. This will be where any assignments are given. If you see, I've already assigned you an icebreaker assignment. How far from school icebreaker? This is to get for you to get to know your group mates a little bit. So if you could just click on the PDF, here is the assignment. You're going to put your name, how many miles you live from the school approximately, and then how long it takes you to get there. And then you'll talk with your group mates, and you'll also fill out their names and their distance and time from school. So, and then we'll come together as a class and discuss that after you finish that assignment. If you click on the people's link right here, this one will show you all the other students in the class. So this would be a way for you to um, communicate with your classmates or with me. I'm right here at the top of the teacher, and then you'll be able to see your other classmates in the class once everybody joins the class. Okay. There's also a calendar here. So if there's an assignment due, you'll be able to see that on there, any important dates that we're going to be having. Um, and then you can see the to do. If you have a to do list with things due, you can see that right there. And there's my class again. So you're there. Um, Basically, that's it. If you have any questions on how to navigate or get to anything on the website, feel free to send me an email. I just want to also point out that when you see an announcement for a new assignment like this one, you can just click on the link right here directly and it'll take you to the assignment as well instead of having to go to the assignments. So, all right. Thank you so much. And I look forward to having you in class this semester. Take care.